Does it really have to be like this? This was the question that the company Rockinger asked us, who was spending nearly 1.5 days per year on greasing and maintenance. Rockinger is a manufacturer of trailer hitches and large agricultural equipment. The problem they were experiencing was that their current design required them to lubricate the connection between the ball and the trailer, or else they would risk the joint seizing up. We quickly developed a spherical bearing to act as a wear surface, eliminating the need for grease in even the dirtiest environments. So what improvements were we able to make by switching to an igus solution? First, the new design has no lubrication or maintenance costs. Second, the customer now has the security against failure with a predictable lifetime for the wear part. They no longer need to worry about the hitches seizing up during use. Third, and perhaps the most important point, reducing grease use prevents contamination of the environment and groundwater and leads to a more sustainable business model. To learn more about reducing lubrication in your applications, visit the link below.